Miami University is in Oxford, Ohio, which you may think is a small town, but I see it as a plus.
You get that small town feel, but you're also surrounded by a lot of different settings that you can work with in your placement and through internships.
The most impactful internship that I've had is the one within the athletic department here in Miami. I was able to get a hands-on experience with everyone in the room.
I have been able to do community outreach programs at the senior center and work with older adults and the exercise programs. The community comes together and accepts the students.
They were always providing things that you can do, like volunteer opportunities at the hospital or with our food pantry, TOPS. It's just really special that we get to actually participate and apply the things that we're learning as we're doing it.
Classes are fun. We're learning about stuff that I'm interested in, I've been interested in my whole life.
The small class sizes are also so nice to just have a more personal, intimate relationship with your professor and with your peers.
It's been really exciting to have professors that want you to continue to grow as a person beyond just the classroom material.
Whether it's work-related, whether it's classes-related, scheduling-related, whether you need someone to talk to about internships, professional developments, the professors are awesome. They're gonna help you so much.
I feel like I could talk to any of my professors one-on-one and they know who I am, they know what I'm gonna do after school.
That's one of the beautiful things about EHS and the Success Center in particular is that your advisor is always there for you and they are meticulous in planning.
I don't think that I would have received that one-on-one interaction at any other institution.
I didn't know what I wanted my major to be initially, but then through my experiential learning in Costa Rica and in Washington, D.C. and in Columbus, Ohio, I learned a whole bunch of stuff about things I never was interested in the first place.
People actually want to help you. People love for you to come to their office hours. Coming in learning about financial aid and scholarships, I knew nothing. I knew you could apply for them, and I knew where to find a platform, but I just didn't know anything about them.
I am so blessed for the friendships that I have made through this study abroad trip. You are learning to navigate a different country by yourself, and it was really awesome to make a lot of life-lasting friendships.
Study abroad has provided me a different lens that I wasn't able to look in, and now I see people differently.
Someone I met that I cannot believe I even sat in the same room as was the director of football at Leyton Orient. The fact that I was able to sit down with someone in a position like that and have conversations and ask him questions about how he runs a football club, it is an experience like no other.
I cannot wait to get into the world to show people what I've gained while being here in Miami.
Basically, if you want to go anywhere in the world, Miami can get you there.